Assembly instruction. S03. Tools included: screwdriver, Phillips and slotted 2-in-1, double open-end wrench, 8mm, 10mm, 13mm, 15mm, Allen wrench, 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm. Tools needed: scissor, bike pump. Let's start assembling your Nakto S03. Step 1. Unpack the e-bike. Pull the frame and all parts, charger, seat, toolkit, keys, nut caps and pedals out of cardboard box. Ensure all the following pieces are included with the Nakto Elegance. Keep this spare fuse in a safe place. It will be used for the replacement if the original fuse were damaged. Step to assemble the handlebar. First, use screwdriver to unscrew the bolt at the top of the front wheel axle. And then remove all the washers in order. And keep this aside. Then we can lift the front fork and insert it into the front wheel axle. Then, reinstall the washers one by one in the same order as they were removed. Next, lift the handlebar and insert it into the top. After that, reinstall the bolt that was removed at the beginning and tighten it securely. There are also two bolts on the sides that need to be tightened. Step 3. Install the front wheel. Loosen the bolts on both sides of the front wheel. Then, lift the front fork and insert it into the gap where the bolts were loosened. Remember to put this in the right place. Then tighten the bolts and cover them with the protective caps. Make sure the handlebar is perpendicular to the frame. If not, readjust the bolts on the side. Step 4. Install the front fender. Remove this bolt, then place the fender in the correct position, and tighten it with the bolt. Next, we take off the screws on both sides of the wheel, and secure the fender to both sides of the wheel. Step 5. Adjust the disc brake. We need to loose these two to adjust the disc brake. Move the wheel to ensure that it rolls without making friction with the brake. Once this is confirmed, tighten the bolts to secure the wheel. Step 6. Install the front basket. Remove the 4 bolts at the front. Then, align the front basket with the holes and tighten the bolts. Step 7. Install the display. First, loosen the screw and remove the rubber gasket. Next, place the 2 rubber gaskets of the display onto the handlebar. Then, attach the display over the handlebar and secure it by tightening the screws. Step 8. Install the front light. First, take out all the components from the bag. Place the light in the designated position and secure it by tightening it with a bolt and a nut. Step 9. Install the rear basket. First, remove the 4 bolts from the rear frame. Then, Align the rear basket with the mounting holes and secure it by tightening the bolts. Step 10. Install the seat. Insert seat post into seat tube. Adjust the seat post up or down to a comfortable height, while ensuring the seat post is inserted into the frame past the minimum insertion point. Then close the quick release lever. Step 11. Install the pedals. The pedal within R means it is the right pedal. The right pedal goes on the crank on the right side of the bike. The left pedal should be tightened by turning it counterclockwise, while the right pedal should be tightened clockwise. The following demonstrates the installation of the left pedal.